So in this question we have to compare two dates such that the id of and report the id such that the temperature of the next date should be greater than the previous date. Now let's start writing the query below. So here I am trying to use lead and lat functions, which are the window functions. If you know it is well and good, so you can refer the video directly, but if you don't, then you can skip for little seconds further, so where I am referring to the documentation of how it is been written in the SQL query. Oops, I got an error here because I tried to use this window function directly onto the column, but window functions are not written directly. I will have to write over function as well, so on which this window function would be applied. So here I am trying to refer the syntax which I wrote earlier was correct or not. You all must also try the same way before directly referring to the concepts. So here you can see how lead function has been applied on the sale value. So you can see that in the next sale value, the Alice value has come next to the step value. So all the rows are incremented one row above, are shifted one row above. So the syntax here I have written is correct, but the error I got is because of the name of the column I wrote is wrong way, because the record date D is capital over here and not underscore. If I write order by over here record date, so no need to write order by again and again over here and here as well. Directly I can write the lead function over a particular column. No need to order it again and again. Okay, now let's check how to write the difference of both the dates, because I don't remember each and every keyword, and you all also should not remember it or rectify it. You all can refer on the web how to write the difference, how to get the difference of both the dates. So here you can check date diff is the name of the function with the help of which I can get the difference, as you can check the refer the W3 schools as well. the older date must be written first as a first parameter, then the younger date or the current date, so to get the difference properly, then it works. So the output I have got is correct, but as you can see, it is now easy to compare both of the dates, but the next date has come next to the previous date, so here I have to return the ID of the second date and not first. So because of this, it is easier to compare, but the ID I cannot return of the next date, so I will have to apply some other way that I can return the ID of the next date and not the previous date. So now trying with lag, let's see the output. As you can see, the now we are easy to compare both the dates and also return the next date by comparing. And as you checked earlier, we were only able to return the ID of the previous date, but now with the help of this lag function we can return the ID of the next date. So with the help of this, as you can see, we can now compare both the dates and their temperature values easily, and also return the ID of the next date if the condition satisfies. Now let's try running this. uh, Yay, our code runs successfully for this test case. Now let's check for all the remaining test cases as well by running clicking the submit button. Great, our code runs successfully for all the remaining test cases as well. As you can see, the solution is accepted.